Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll give you a quick overview of the Report Center in Invent ERP. The Report Center holds the key information you need for your business, so you can review results quickly, stay organized, and make better choices. Navigate to it by clicking here. This is the Report Center page. Let's take a deeper look together. You can easily search for report names over here. Also select a certain report category. Filter the reports with specifying a type. It's possible to change the layout of the page by clicking over here. Currently this is the list view. This is how the card view looks like. Let's take a look at one of the reports, for instance sales analysis. Inside the sales analysis report, everything is clearly shown. You can filter or group the information. This is how the filter page looks like. There are many options as shown where you can filter the data by. You are able to change the column visibility if you would like. For instance, you customize it to see the data with order and product being shown. You are able to even export the information in any of these formats. There you go. That's a quick overview of the Report Center in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.